Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. No, no, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then. Just then, we can really never have it all. No, no, no. But oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on, and so baby, just fine. 'Cause I'm always around you, and I make you see how beautiful life is for you and me. Take a little time, baby, see the butterflies color, listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain. Getting high, getting low, when to lose you should go. Yeah, yeah. Getting warm, getting cold, weather could be so good or bad. But baby, this is life, no, don't get mad. No, no, no. 'Cause oh, can't you see that no matter what happens, life goes on and on. So baby, please smile.
Hi Kuya Koys, mamimiss namin kayo, especially si Kuya Willie, yung damit mong butas, ingatan mo yun, sana paglipat mo ng bansa, dali mo ulit yun. And then si Kuya Ruel, ay wala nang gwapo sa room 7, alam mo bang ikaw pinakagwapo doon, here. Tapos mamimiss ko talaga si Kuya Greenfield, ang gwapo-gwapo niya, ang bait-bait niya, imagine yung height niya 6. Pero okay lang, 'di ba? Babalik ka Kuya Greenfield. Mami-miss talaga namin kayo. Bye-bye. Sana di niyo kami malimutan. Bye-bye. Kuya Jun, di naman siya aalis ah. Si Kuya Greenfield, okay lang umalis 'yan. Di siya kawalan. Darating si Kuya Ding. Siya ang boyfriend ko. Ay, Kuya Greenfield pala. Pag uwi mo ng Pinas, i-meet mo mami ko. Sabihin mo may kasunduan na tayo dito sa Dubai. Okay? Tapos regaluhan mo na lang siya ng gold mo para ibigay niya na sa'yo ang matamis niyang oo. Para kanino ba? Sa akin o sa mami ko? Okay, bye-bye. Miss you.
Hi! Well, ginawa lang namin to para lang, meron lang kayong keepsake para maalala nyo kami. Mamimiss namin kayo and sana makabalik pa rin kayo dito para may manlibre pa sa amin na inom. Anyways, ayun, hindi ko na pahabain. Basta, thank you. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ginawa namin. And, mamimiss namin kayong lahat. Kaming lahat dito, mamimiss namin kayo.
Di siguro.
Di siguro. Okay, inuman na. Bye!
You'll take it higher and you'll make it through the storm, 'cause you're strong. My faith in you is clear. So I'll say once again, this was wonderful. And let us celebrate life that's so beautiful. So beautiful. Listen to the birds that were sent to sing for me and to me. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns fair